Are you also struggling that how to start speaking English? I can understand, but I cannot speak. When you go to speak with someone, so you feel stuck, word doesn't come, your mind goes blank. Do you have also these problems? So this video is for you. Actually, recently I got a comment that, ma'am, I can understand English, but I cannot speak. Whenever I go to speak, I feel stuck. So this is the common problem. Whenever anybody start speaking any language, they have to face this challenge. They have to go through this. And how to tackle it, I am going to tell you in this video. This video is going to very helpful if you have this condition. Okay, so please watch it and please do it. And I want to do in front of you. So I have this phone and you all have phone. Okay, so what you do, you have to download ChatGPT. We all use these days. And let me show you everything in front of you. Okay, let me show you everything. How to do it. Hold your horses. रुको जरा सबर करो. How to say in English? Hold your horses. Okay. Okay. So this is the ChatGPT. I touch it. Okay. And now I am going to start how to speak. Okay. So there is, you can see black. Some phone there is a blue circle, and in my phone here is a black circle. So touch this black circle. Let me touch ye. Yes. Hi.
Hey, great to have you here. What's on your mind today?
I want to talk to you. Actually, I am recording this call for my student. So I want you that ask me some those questions when we connect to someone with first time, and people they ask usually. So please ask me some question.
Absolutely. I can help with that. So let's say we're meeting someone for the first time. I'll ask you some common starter questions. For instance, hi, could you tell me a little bit about yourself? Or where are you from and what do you do for a living? Does that sound like the kind of thing you need?
Yeah, this sound is pretty good, but one thing I want to tell you, this video I'm making for my students and my subscribers. So please, can you speak Indian accent?
Of course. I can switch to a more Indian English accent. No problem at all. So I'll keep it natural and easy for them to follow. Would you like me to keep the same types of questions or would you like me to adjust them in any way?
No, I want to same question, that can I connect with someone first time so I can talk to them.
Got it. So I'll keep the same kind of questions. For example, I might ask, what's your name and where do you live? Or what are your hobbies and how did you get into your field? I'll
Okay.
make sure it sounds natural and friendly so
Yeah.
you can just adapt.
Yeah, this is the natural, this is the best way to practice our English from the beginning. So my name is Prarthana. I am from Madhya Pradesh and I have done my Bachelor of Science. Currently I am pursuing my CTE course, so that I've been doing lately, and I am mother of two, and I have responsibility to manage my household, and I am a teacher as well. So I teach spoken English and Hindi and phonics, that I do.
Yeah, that was really good.
Could you give me your introduction?
Absolutely. So after your introduction, I might say something like, sure, so my name is Priya. I'm also from Madhya Pradesh and I've been working as a freelance graphic designer for some time now. I love painting in my free time. And then I might ask, what kind of things do you enjoy doing in your spare time? That kind of flow, you know?
Yeah, in my spare time, in my free time, mostly I practice my English. I talk to my co-learners. I spend time with my family, and I try to learn new things. And I have little habit to read. So I read something, and I'm fond of playing with children. So I go park and all for playing with children. So that's how I spend my free time, my spare time. What about you?
Oh, that sounds really nice. Yeah, for me, I also like to read a bit in my free time, especially novels. And I enjoy cooking, so I often try out new recipes on weekends. And of course, I love watching some movies or documentaries too.
Oh, nice. So, what do you cook?
Yeah, exactly. So I really enjoy experimenting in the kitchen. Like recently, I tried making some homemade pasta. So yeah, it's kind of a little hobby of mine. What about you? Do you cook or do you prefer just trying different foods?
Yeah, I love cooking. I love cooking very much, and often like a Saturday, Sunday, I try new recipe. I can cook Indian cuisine, South Indian cuisine, and I can cook some Chinese. So that's how I actually in India there are many dishes. So I love taste different state dishes. And what about you?
Yeah, so for me, I mostly stick to Indian food as well, but I do love exploring different regional flavors, especially from Maharashtra or Tamil Nadu. It's really fun trying out all those unique spices and ingredients.
Okay, nice to hear that.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's really nice to connect like this, just sharing little bits about ourselves. So, another common question people ask when they're first connecting is, what inspired you to choose your current career path? So you could share a bit about what motivated you, and then I could ask a follow-up if you'd like.
Actually, see,
Take it.
start learning English and speaking, and in meanwhile, I watched Prasanta Char video. So he was saying that mostly women they spend their time doing household and like brooming 3 time in a day, mopping 3 time in a day, or doing dishes 4 and 5 time in a day. So rather than doing 5 and 6 time, you could do 1 and 2 time, and that can you save the time, and you invest that time on improving yourself. So I thought this would be very good, and I started improving myself, and that's how I started learning. And after that I thought, let's teach. And what inspired me, actually I got into that situation. I didn't have money to learn English, so I started earning. I started collecting money that I could take classes from somewhere, professional classes. So that's how I began. I don't know. I had no idea that I would be a teacher, but that's how I end up with a teacher, and now I am pursuing my teacher training as well.
Wow, that's really inspiring. I think a lot of people will relate to that, just starting with small steps and then seeing where it takes you. And now you're helping others too, so that's really amazing.
Yes, I love helping other actually. I was in that situation where I couldn't do anything. I couldn't earn a single money. I couldn't help my children. So I want to help, like, me, women and men who they are like my situation where I was once upon a time. So I want to help them, and I love helping. And when they say that, ma'am, because of you I started my journey, because of you today I have been earning, so that gives me different happiness.
I can really see that. It's such a powerful feeling when your efforts make a real difference in someone's life. I'm sure your students really appreciate you and you're such a great role model.
Yeah, so please could you ask next question.
The question was, what are some of your future goals or aspirations? So after you answer, you can talk about where you see yourself in the next few years or
Uh,
what big plans you have for your career or life.
Okay, thank you so much. It is really good question. So after few years, I want to see myself a certified trainer, and I have some goal that I want to accomplish, and there are a lot to you know do. So I want to be good in English, and I want to be a good speaker. So after few years, maybe I will be a good speaker. I don't know, but I want to see myself there.
That's really great, and honestly, with that kind of determination, I'm sure you will get there. Just keep going learning step by step, and I'm really excited to see how you grow.
Yes, thank you so much for connecting with me, and I am hoping to connect with you very soon. So, bye bye, have a great day, and let's catch up soon.
You're very welcome. I'm really glad we got to connect, and yes, I'd love to chat again soon. Take care, have a wonderful day, and we'll talk soon.
Okay, one thing I want to ask that please could you tell me that what mistake I have done and how to fix that mistakes?
Of course. Overall, you did really well. Just a couple of small things. For example, instead of I started collecting money that I could take classes, you could say I started saving money so I could take professional classes.
Yes.
Also, you can say I hope to become a certified trainer instead of hope to be a certified trainer. But honestly, your meaning was really clear.
Okay, thank you once again. Bye.
You're very welcome. I'm really glad I could help. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye. Yes, so that's how you can do practice. I just show you little. I do a lot of practice with ChatGPT and it corrects me everywhere. Suppose like I said I collect money, so I could say that I save money, right? So that's how we can change words and we can change our sentences in a good way. You don't need to go anywhere. So if you do like that practice continuously 1 month, 2 months, even few weeks, so you will be very good and you could able to talk to anyone. So after doing this like this practice, you can talk with someone else, you will build confidence. Okay, so do like that, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe and press the bell icon that can you get notification for my next video. And if you have any questions, ask, and I love to answer that question. Okay, bye bye, I hope you got your answer.